Unstoppable family, welcome to Yard Sauce. Now, Yard Sauce is as simple as its theme is. It's giving you the latest and the most current news that's happening right now in this beautiful island we love.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
I'll be giving you information on 2 Jamaican men who have been detained in the Bahamas at the Department of Correctional Services, allegedly for cocaine. Mal Daly, 36, and Dave Daly, 34, appeared before Chief Magistrate Joyan Ferguson Pratt, charged with dangerous drug possession with the intent to supply. After officers seized 8 pounds of cocaine from them on August 27th, according to the prosecution, the drug has an estimated street value of $65,340. During the hearing, both defendants denied the allegation, and the matter was adjourned for September 30th. As a result, both men are denied bail and remanded to Bahamas Department of Correctional Services. They both have a right to apply to Supreme Court for bail. Yesterday, another man appeared before Magistrate Ferguson Pratt for a drug-related offense. Lazaro Ferguson, 27, was charged after officers seized the marijuana from him on August 30th. The court was told officers found 2 clear plastic wrappings on Mr. Ferguson at the time of his arrest. The court also heard officers seize $4,981, which they found in Mr. Ferguson's pants pocket during their search. Ferguson pleaded guilty to 1 small count of simple possession and was placed on probation for 10 months. Unstoppable family, see there. Crime does not pay. The easy way is never the best way. Trying to put in yourself in a problem, This is the hot sauce, yard sauce that I'll be delivering to you.
Nico, you mash up my life. You mash up my life. You mash up my life.
Also, family, I'll be touching on Amari. Yes, Nico, you mash up my life. Yes, it is the #1 thing that is going around the island right now, and maybe internationally. Who knows? Amari has set her feet on new grounds. But that's not the reason why I'll be talking about Amari today. Yes, Nico mashed up her life, but there was a little video that came out earlier. Check this out. Hold up. Isn't this the same man that she and him always in an argument? Check this out.
You wanna get on me? You wanna get on me?
Are you trying for me? Must meet up.
Do it.
I want to take you. I want to.
Do it.
I want to. Everybody know me.
Do it.
I know you know me now, girl. I know it. They touch me first, then. Fire lick them nasty, no? Fire lick them nasty.
Mayu, give me a cutlass. Mayu, give me a cutlass, man. Me chop up. Give me a cutlass. Mayu, give me a cutlass. Give me a knife. Me get the dream last night.
Unstoppable family, I guess this is the makeup after the fight up.
DJ, you mash up my life. You mash up my life.
Unstoppable family, what to say about that video. Okay.
Alright, me say everybody else say like Amari. Uno know say Amari love attention. Uno know this. Amari love attention. So anytime nobody not give Amari the attention, a while ago, say Amari have section or man Collin. Amari a real star, But not gonna lie. Amari a real star. Me say Amari video 15 seconds. And you want the one Collin too. And what we do Collin? And some people have sex sideways. And she do. Hey, that's some big movie star them here, You want to see Amari too? So what we do people? What me do people? I don't know what me do people. What me and people have? Me a good youth. Me don't do nobody nothing. I mean look at me say Amari and say sex you have. No! That's not sex. I'm boo for that. And some people have sex sideways. That not trick me. A big boo for that. Amari, you're dead in that show there. So I see the video a while ago, I say, what me do people in a life? Me don't do people nothing, you know. You want to see the one Collin to, you know, one big movie star, you know. You want to see them. Amari, I are the best boy. Amari are the best. Me say, you want to see Amari face to that while ago, you know. Amari no forget the public attention, because right now she have the whole world talking. Sideways. Yo, me say, Amari are a real star, you know. Hey, you go, Amari. You go, girl. You go, girl. Amari for the win again. Last week she and Nico. Now this week she a Star Blues. You go, Amari. Oh no, girl. When you say you're bad for Spicy Friday, I'm so going back at Spicy Friday. Remember that me and manage Amari? I know me and manage Amari. Yo, me say Collin, you want to see him? And then see him face in the camera. Hey, Amari around the whole of them show, you know. Hey, Jojo. Amari around the whole of them show, you know. You want to see Collin, you know. And then see me, huh? I see Amari too, in the camera too. Hey, boy, you're done, you know. What me do people in a life? Why me? Me not live the life, people. Me not live the life. Amari come here. I have man I go out with a crocus bag of tea. Yo, Amari come to Jamaica and come down the whole Jamaica. Amari come down the whole Jamaica, you know. Can watch this now. Let me tell you now. Day in the life of Amari, house of play. See, because if you don't notice, Amari phone always ready for workout. Amari phone, so she goes to and take out her phone and put it on video. Last week, me and Amari say, hey, somebody give me a cutlass. Somebody give me a knife, make a stock cloth. Amari can't cause bad word good, you know. Only time Amari cause bad word good when Amari say, fuckers. But yes, when time just say blood clot, you know, say you're done. Anytime you say blood clot, I must stab up in blood clot. Hey, boy, you're done. Amari, the second wave of corona. Hey, no, hey, boy, you're done, you know. When me do people, yo, me there easy myself, a cool off, and I say, Jesus Christ. And everybody just start at me. Them just come at me and say, your artist a Star Blues now. When me look on the blues, I no blues that. A white. That are not even pink. That are not blues. You say, you want to see Collin, you know? And then Collin a stab. And she not make no nice. So Collin a stab and a go on, you know. And she not make no nice. Before she go on, she not do that part the good. She not act out that part the good. I write this so make me just know. So listen me. I white that. That are not blues. Amari, I write this so you go wrong. And all I sing. She feel a ball out and dog and I say, yes, Collin, yes, Collin, yes, Collin. She not ball out and yes, Collin. And And you want to see Collin, you know, I kill up himself and I go on, you know. And what kind of 15 seconds what I work that? No, sir, the white, the blues and the work. It not gonna make it. It not gonna work.
Please put your comments down below. Be your authentic self. Make a comment. Talk about what you think about the video and how far Amari has taken. If you think that she has taken this new fame that she has gotten and she has blown it out of proportion, just leave your comments down below. And if you think that crime solves it, and if that's the easier way out and it's the best way out, also leave your comments down below. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in to Unstoppable TV. This is Yard Sauce and I am your host, Kabirali. Thank you so much. Remember, a positive mind draws positive results. I'm out.
Nico, you mash up my life. You mash up my life.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.